The core project implemented in India by GIZ and its partners had a clear climate-conscious mission. The mission to reduce GHG emissions in rice cultivation, while empowering smallholder farmers, especially women with sustainable agricultural practices. Implemented in selected regions of Haryana, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, the project was a blueprint for how agriculture can be a part of climate solution, while uplifting communities.
CORE is a project supported by the I4ACT funds by the BMZ. And in India, it is being implemented in partnership with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India. The uniqueness of CORE is that it not only promotes water use efficiency and agroecological measures in rice supply chains, but also looks at how the climate co-benefits can be converted into carbon currency that can provide additional incentives to the farmers.
The project CORE, Carbon Offsetting Rice Emissions, India, was launched in December 2022, aimed to mitigate methane emissions, save water and empower women farmers through sustainable rice cultivation techniques.
अभी नए पद्धति से खेती कर रहे हैं। AWD पाइप है, उसके माध्यम से कि हमको पानी की और कितना आवश्यकता है और कितना आवश्यकता नहीं है।
जो अपन धान लगा वहाँ धान की खेती में वो इस तरह गाड़ देना है और इसमें से मिट्टी निकाल देनी है और मिट्टी निकालने के बाद इसमें अगर पानी इतना भी दिखता है ना तो हमें खेत में पानी लगाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
This transformation is being driven in partnership with IRRI, Olam Agri and UN Women, reimagining low-carbon rice farming for a food-secure future.
Olam Agri supports the implementing partners and its CRPs in conducting these training programs to the farmers and also implementation of AWD initiative in the fields.
To reach its ambitious goal, it all started with the community resource persons being trained by the master trainers of all 3 states, demonstrating and providing continuous on-field support for the adoption of technologies.
We trained the community resource persons of implementing agencies in each of these states. So we trained them in terms of technical training on low emission practices as well as socio-economic and gender aspects with respect to aligned with these technologies.
The CORE project is making a powerful impact. Over 20,000 smallholder farmers have been trained in innovative technologies and majority of them are women, driving the change and cultivating resilience.
UN Women's focus was on gender transformative approaches integrated in the project design, implementation and monitoring. We were together able to integrate and institutionalize recognition of women's farmers' identity modules in ERI's extensive technology trainings. Similarly with Olam, we expanded more sex and gender disaggregated data collection in their existing processes to better inform their interventions from a gender perspective.
At the heart of this transformation, RYSS, Pradhan, PCI and CSA have integrated AWD technique into its broader mission to lower methane emissions. RYSS scaled AWD along with natural farming framework, while Pradhan empowered rural women with sustainable farming and hands-on support. More than 20,000 farmers trained in emission reduction climate-sensitive technologies and practices. 2,500 women farmers strengthened as leaders and entrepreneurs, and large volume of CO2 equivalent emissions avoided. Today, the project is unlocking new sustainable income streams and addressing the agenda of climate change, where farming is more smarter, women-friendly, fairer and sustainable.
నేను ICRP దగ్గర చూసి నేర్చుకున్నాను పద్ధతి గురించి. చాలా సింపుల్ గా ఉంది. అలాగే నా తోటి రైతులకి స్నేహితులకు కూడా చెప్తున్నాను ఈ పద్ధతి చేయమని.